Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can easily customize your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. To add or change your profile picture, click the profile icon in the upper right corner of the application. Click the Change Picture link that appears just below your name. To upload or replace an existing picture, click the Upload Picture link in the Change Your Profile Picture dialog box. Navigate to the file, select it, and then click the Open button in the Open dialog box. Then click the Save button. Alternatively, to remove a picture, simply click the Remove Picture link and then click the Save button instead. When you are finished, click the Close button. You can also adjust general settings and permissions, set privacy controls, adjust notification preferences, manage audio and camera devices, and configure voicemail using the Settings command. To access settings, click your profile icon or picture and select the Settings command from the drop-down menu. You can click one of the categories to the left, like General, Privacy, Notifications, etc., to display the settings controls to the right. Then use the various checkboxes, sliders, drop-down menus, and text fields to adjust your desired settings. The settings on the General tab allow you to select a theme to adjust the look of Teams, adjust how the application behaves, and select language options. Privacy lets you control who can contact you and what notifications they receive from your communications. Notifications is where you can select which notifications you want for the various activities in Teams and where you want them to be displayed. Permissions grant access to your device from the apps within Teams. To troubleshoot audio-video problems, select the Devices setting at the left side of the Settings dialog box. Ensure that the proper audio and camera devices are selected from the drop-down menus. To make a test call to verify the settings are working correctly, click the Make a Test Call button to call the Teams Echo Assistant and follow the voice prompts. The Calls tab provides settings that determine how Teams handles your incoming calls, what your ringtone sounds like, and how your voicemail is configured. We will discuss setting up your voicemail in more detail in a later lesson. When you are finished customizing your settings, click the Close button in the Settings dialog box, which automatically saves any changes you have made.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.